Good morning. So today we discuss the next family in your syllabus, that is the Commelinaceae. My voice is clear?
Um,
Okay. So this is the one of the family of the monocot. So remaining, as you discussed in previous lectures, that families are comes under the dicot. So from today, there is the Commelinaceae is from monocot. So this is the normal inflorescence in the family Commelinaceae. Then let's discuss about the distinguishing characters of the family Commelinaceae. So most of these members of this Commelinaceae are the herbaceous plants, and they are having the jointed stem. Jointed stem, that means they are having the nodes and internodes. You can see the second figure. Here there is the some pinkish nodal regions are there. So they are having the jointed stem, and it is having leaves with sheathing and alternate. So sheathing leaf base, that means the one fourth part of the leaves that will be attached to the stem. If we see these leaves, so leaves, the uh, fourth part of these leaves are attached to the stem. That means they are the sheathing leaves and they are present alternately. You can clearly see in this picture. Then most of these family members having the inflorescence in cincinus. Cincinus, they are that means they are flowers are covered with the bracteates and they are present at in bunches. Then the flowers are hermaphrodites. That means they are having the two sex, male as well as female sex or reproductive organs present in the same flowers. Then the members of these flowers are the actinomorphic. Actinomorphic, that means they are having or they forms in the equal parts in any radius. Then perianth leaves six in two whorls. That means here normally in flower you can see the calyx and corolla. But in case of the monocot, there is a perianth. That means there is a no calyx, no corolla. There is a modified perianth is present. So perianth they are having in six numbers एंड दे कैन इन टू वर्ल्ड्स. जो आप पर्पल कलर में आप देख रहे हो दैट इज द पेरियांथ बट बिलो दैट पर्पल कलर और एक वो वहां पे वर्ल्ड रहता है वो स्मॉल साइज में रहता है. देन स्टैमेंस आर इन 3+3 position. That means three stamens are long and three stamens are the short. So here ऐसे लिखा है कि 3+3 or sometimes they are in three numbers or they are sometimes they will be reduced and to form the staminoid. So only three stamens will be large and three stamens that will be reduced and they forms the staminodes. Then carpels are also in three and they are in superior, that means above the ovary, all floral parts and having the exile placentation. Exile placentation, that means the ovary is attached to the center. Then let's discuss about the systematic positions of the one of the member of Commelinaceae, that is the Commelina bengalensis. So here we have take the example of Commelina bengalensis. It is the common weed and that will be present in every field or gardens. You can see this plant. आप में से किसी ने प्लांट देखा है? It is also a common weed and they can grow everywhere in gardens or in fields or in farms or in surround areas of these hometowns everywhere. So these Commelina, they are having the class monocotyledon. So, what are the characters of monocots? That first one is the parallel venation. You can see in the photographs of these Commelina, so you can clearly see in the parallel venations. यहाँ पे जो लीव्स है, लीव्स के ऊपर आपको पैरेलल वेनेशंस नजर आएंगे. देन दे आर हैविंग द फाइब्रस रूट्स and seeds with one cotyledon. So this is the three characters of the monocotyledon, that is fibrous or adventitious roots are there, then seed it is in single cotyledons. Then it comes under the series coronary. So coronary, it is characterized by bisexual flower, that means male and female reproductive organs present in same flower. Then ovary is superior. It is above the ovary, all floral parts are there. Then it is its family is the Commelinaceae, genus Commelina, and species Bengalensis. So let's move the more detail about the genus Commelina. So first of all, the general characters of this Commelina. So its habit, it is annual with semi-erect or creeping. So creeping, that means they are touching, at some point they are touching to the soil, and it is annually growing weedy plants. You can see the clearly in the picture. Then its root is adventitious and fibrous root. So here you can see the root system of this Commelina. So they are adventitious root. That means they are not a single root is present. So many numbers of roots are there, and they are all arises from the stems. Then stem. So stem of this Commelina, it is erect. That means straight aerial stem with nodes and internodes. So at the nodal portion, there is the pinkish color and that will be developed. So all these Commelina, they are having the nodes and internodes. Then about the leaf. So leaf, there is the simple leaf is present. Then exstipulate means stipules are absent. Then sessile, that means they are having no petiole. Petiole, the leaves are directly attached to the same stem. So it is sessile with sheathing leaf base. Sheathing leaf base, that means the part of the leaves that will be attached to the stem portion, that is sheathing leaf base. Then shape, the shape of these leaves are ovate to the oblong shape, or sometimes it will be lanceolate shape. Then it is multicosted parallel venation. In So here you can see the parallel venation of the, and there is the greenish with purplish tinge. तो जहाँ पे nodal region हमें दिख रहा है, that will be pinkish है, or sometimes the leaves on the leaves some greenish or purplish tinge will. Next is about the florals. So most these inflorescence it is in cyme, that means they are in bunching. Older flowers present at the center, and at the surrounding there is the young flowers, that is cyme type. Then these inflorescence they are surrounded by the 1 to 3 spathes or bracts. So surrounding this flower, you can see greenish spathe or bract that will be there surrounding the inflorescence. Then Commelina bengalensis, it is bracteate. So small bract is present the base of this flower. Then it is pedicellate. That means they are having the white. Then sexual, that is male reproductive organs present in same flowers. Then it is zygomorphic. It's they are only the lateral view, they only the lateral section, they will be having the two equal parts. Otherwise, these flowers are not equally divided. Then hypogynous trimerous, that is three is there. The three perianth, that's why they are called trimerous flowers. They blue colored. Some flowers are subterranean clistogamous. So blue color flower also they are in various colors. And then about the perianth. So perianth, it is biseriate perianth is there. Then outer wall of three tepals represent the calyx. This perianth, it is 3+3 arrangement. So here 3 as a calyx and 3 as a corolla. So it is the evolutionary stage of the और evolutionary stage अपन हम बोल सकते हैं कि कोरोला का कन्वर्जन यहाँ कैसे टेपल्स में होता है. तो यहाँ जो कैलेक्स है, कैलेक्स का यहाँ पे रिड्यूस हुए, मतलब की जो साइज है साइज कम हुई है और कोरोला है वो बड़े साइज में हमें दैट इज collectively called as perianth or tepals. The outer tepals, like they are polysepalous and valvate or imbricate astig. Then inner wall of these tepals, they are also three numbers like the corolla, they are polypetalous. So they are also in free, but in that one petal is touching slightly present at the outer layer. And if we see this, और देखोगे उसका डिसेक्शन करोगे पेटल्स एक एक, यदि आप तब आपको वहां पे उसकी अरेंजमेंट देख सकते हो कि एक पेटल है, सबसे बड़ा पेटल दिखेगा आपको और जो दो छोटे पेटल्स है और जो बड़ा वाला पेटल से दीज आर स्लाइटली प्रेजेंट एट द लेयर. देन wall, that is the androecium. So androecium present in the 6 numbers. Here again in that stamens, 3 stamens are the fertile and 3 stamens are the sterile. So these sterile stamens and they form वहाँ पे staminodes, some staminodes regions that will be developed, and only the 3 stamens that will be fertile. Then there are light blue filaments are there. Anther is the dithecus, crete and divaricate. So you can see here the filaments. So filaments are also in light blue color like the flower color. Then the anthers, they will be dithecus. Then they will be discrete or divariant. You can see here in the pictures of these flowers, these anthers that will be having the two dithecus, मतलब वहाँ पे हमें 4 रीजन्स, वहाँ पे आपको जो भी स्टैमेन में हम एक्चुअली वहाँ पे 2 लोब्स हमें नजर आते, बट हियर इन केस ऑफ द डाइथिकस 4 वहाँ पे आपको ऐसे चेम्बर वहाँ पे नजर आएंगे. Then next is about the gynoecium. So gynoecium, it is in tricarpellary. That is 3 carpels are present in these flowers. Then that is in yellow color. जो blue flower है, blue flower में आप देख सकते हो yellow color, it is in carpels. The carpels are syncarpous, that is in fused condition. Trilocular, that means they form the 3 locules. Then they are superior axile placentation. The ovules are attached to the central part. Then style टर्मिनल स्टाइल है. देन स्टिग्मा, कैपिटेट स्टिग्मा, दैट मीन्स जो स्टिग्मा रीजन है आप येलो पोर्शन फ्लावर में देख सकते हो, तो इट इज समवॉट स्ट्रक्चरली डिफरेंट. वहां पे आपको जो भी स्टिग्मा है इट इज capitate type of stigma. It is also the one of the characters or distinguishing characters of the family Commelinaceae. Stigma रहता है. Then one locule with one ovule and two with two ovules. तो जो फ्लावर का सेपरेशन हमने देखा कि जो लोक्यूल की ओवरी की जो अरेंजमेंट है, these are also different. There is the two locules are forms. In that जो one locule is separated and जहाँ पे two जो बाकी के two बचे हैं locules वो सिंगली वहाँ पे सेपरेट होते. Then next is about the floral formula. So in floral formula the first sign is it of percentage. So what mention this sign? What is mean by percentage sign? Anybody answer?
Zygomorphic.
What is it? Zygomorphic, very correct. So the flower of this Commelina bengalensis is the zygomorphic. That's why there is the sign is percentage. Then next is about the bisexual or hermaphrodite, that is male and female sex organ. Then P, what is this P sign? It is for perianth. हमने देखा जो बाकी के जो डाइकॉट में हमने देखे कि वहां पे कैलेक्स और कोरोला रहता है, तो वहां पे हम वो वैसे मेंशन करते, तो यहाँ पे पेरियांथ रहता है, दैट इज टेपल रहता है. सो पेरियांथ इट इज मेंशन बाय द पी. देन दिस पेरियांथ इट इज हैविंग टू वर्ल्स में यहाँ इस फ्लावर में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं इस प्लांट में. तो जो अरेंजमेंट है उनकी कैसी है, 3+3, 3 बड़े वर्ल्स रहते, 3 छोटे वर्ल्स रहते, तो यहाँ पे 3+3 वैसे मेंशन. देन ए इज फॉर एंड्रोशियम. सो एंड्रोशियम में भी हमें 3 एंड्रोशियम स्टेराइल है और 3 फर्टाइल है, तो यहाँ पे 3+3 वहां पे ऐसे मेंशन करना है. 3 फर्टाइल है, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर स्टैंडर्ड, और जो स्टेराइल है ऐसे वहां पे मेंशन होना चाहिए. देन जी फॉर गायनोशियम. गायनोशियम यहाँ पे ट्राइकार्पेलरी है, दैट इज 3 कार्पेल्स है, 3 कार्पेल्स कार्पस है, दैट्स वाई फ्यूज. और यहाँ पे सुपेरियर ओवरी है, इसलिए उसके नीचे अंडरलाइन दिया हुआ है. देन दिस इज द सो you can see the floral diagram of the Commelina bengalensis. So in Commelina bengalensis there is the 3 outer perianth, 3 inner perianth. In that dark circle is for bracts. Then जो outer wall and inner wall it is the perianth. Then in perianth there is the 6 वहाँ पे stamen दिखाए, but 3 सर्कल में दिखाए हैं stamen, छोटे सर्कल्स, और 3 stamen like स्ट्रक्चर दिखाए. तो इसमें 3 स्टेराइल है और 3 फर्टाइल है. तो जो स्टेराइल है तो वहां पे खाली सर्कल निकाला हुआ है और बाकी के वहां पे फर्टाइल दिखाए हुए. देन एट द सेंटर देयर इज द ओवरी. ओवरी 3 कार्पेल से 3 वहां पे 3 ऐसे निकाले हैं. देन फ्यूज्ड कंडीशन है, अटैच्ड हुए हैं सब, और दे आर हैविंग द एक्साइल प्लासेंटेशन. तो सेंटर में उसके ओवरी प्रेजेंट है. तो ऐसे फ्लोरल डायग्राम में सब मेंशन होना चाहिए, जो भी फ्लावर के मेन कैरेक्टर्स है वो सब फ्लोरल डायग्राम में आनी चाहिए. देन लास्ट पॉइंट इट अबाउट द इकोनॉमिक इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ Commelinaceae. So these members of this Commelinaceae they are used as a food, medicine, as well as in ornamental purposes. So here as a food, तो Commelina or some species of this Commelina, the leaves of this Commelina are the edible. Some with the help of these Commelina leaves, some pakoras will be prepared, or sometimes the vegetables are also prepared by the leaves of Commelina species. Then second, economic importance as a medicine. So also the roots of this Commelina are also used as an antidote on this snake bite. So it is also medicinally important plant. It is Commelina. Then the stem juice of Floscopa scandens species. These stem juice of this plant are used as a eye drops. Then many members of this Commelina like Mordania, Anelema, then Commelina are used in the leprosy. Then the roots of these cyanotes, Tradescantia, these are used for the in case of the animal husbandry, they are used for the expelling the worms and also in the fewer of these animals. Then some species of the Commelina like Rio discolor that will be used for the ornamental purposes because they are having very colorful leaves. Then so Tradescantia, Cyanotes, Zebrina, these are very attractive leaves as well as flowering. That's why they are growing as a ornamental purposes. In our college, there is the number of uh, Community members. They are grown. So here some of the this is the first economically important plant in this family, that is Zebrina pendula. So these plant also cultivated in the gardens because of the ornamental trailers. They are having very attractive leaves. Then second one is the Tradescantia discolor. It is also cultivated in the garden or as well as in the pots uh, for the garden purposes. With the with this Tradescantia plant, it is cytologically very important because for the meiosis study, these the flower buds of these plants are used फॉर द साइटोलॉजिकल पर्पजेज. जो हम मियोसिस स्टडी करते हैं, तो मियोसिस हम कहाँ पे स्टडी करते हैं, तो जो इमेच्योर जो भी एंथर्स रहते हैं उसके अंदर हम मियोसिस स्टडी करते हैं. तो जो ट्राडिस्केंशियल लीव्स बर्ड्स रहते हैं वो हम मियोसिस स्टडी के लिए यूज करते हैं. Then Commelina nudiflow, a common weed, and in rainy seasons you can see the plants in everywhere. So these are some members who can found the surroundings or environmental and you can easily label these plants of this Commelinaceae. If you can got these flowers, you can just uh, dissect this flower and you can see the characters of that flowers. So this is all about the family Commelinaceae. If you are clear this family, all of you are understand about family Commelinaceae.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.